So on this particular airdrop platform, I've accumulated 15,000 worth of gem, which is about 2 point something dollars. The ship is not much and the pep is not much. Then the gem cash is about 300 and the amount is not really much. But the frozen EFS is about 36 dollars. It is about 12, right? And it's at $36 and the PHY is about $4.4, almost $5, right? I've accumulated this on this platform, and if we scroll up, we're going to see that the total of the asset I've accumulated on this particular platform is $43.5. And in this particular video, I'm going to show you how you get to the point where you make that kind of amount of money using this particular airdrop website. Alright guys, welcome back. So I'll be showing us how to use this particular platform that I've shown us right here to actually make money from this airdrop that is ongoing right now. So all you have to do is you're going to go to the comment section like this, right? And you have the link to this pinned. All you have to do is click on it, and you're going to click on it. If you click on this, it's going to actually bring you to this particular platform. So once you get on this particular screen, you're going to see the option to put in your number, to put in to change your country, right? So come over right here and switch and change to Nigeria. Change this to Nigeria, right? I'm gonna get that right. Nigeria, right? And you're going to see that this thing is not going to come out. So all you have to do is right click on this. If you're using your phone, right click on this and change this to desktop mode, because you want this to come out. You want this to come out. Once you've changed it to desktop mode, you're going to see click on this again and change this to Nigeria and write to Nigeria, and it's going to come out. Now once you've written Nigeria, just come over right here. You're going to see that Nigeria is actually showing you right here. So once you fill in the details as required, put in your phone number. Once you've selected and put in your phone number and you're creating an account, you can come over right here again and click on desktop and remove the desktop thing, and then you have a proper phone interface, which is going to be able to allow you to do what the normal thing you're supposed to do. Now once you've created an account on this particular platform, at some point you're going to log out, and if you log out, you're going to need to log in again. Now the same thing I showed you where you put this on desktop screen is the same thing you should also do here. Now you cannot be able to see Nigeria. Even if I should write Nigeria clearly here, you're not going to see Nigeria on the options right here. All you have to do is right click here and then choose desktop site and then click on login again. I'm going to click on login, and then I'm just going to go with English, sorry, because I'm trying to log in again. That's why it's showing us this, and I'm leaving this so that we know how to find our way around this if we want to log in or register. So once I click on Nigeria right here, I'm going to see it here, and I'm going to click on Nigeria right here, and I'm going to input my details, right? And I'm going to put my details right here. I'm going to click on verify, and once I click on verify, you're seeing that it says success. I'm going to click on sign in, and once I'm signed in, you're going to see my account on the platform. All right, so once you're logged in, because you're on desktop mode, it's going to look like this, which is very small, right? And you can actually do this. Go to remove this from the desktop mode. I've actually removed it from the desktop mode now. So you're gonna have personal center, sport accounts, all of this here. So if you go to personal center, every day once you log in, you go to personal center, you're gonna see sign in right here. So all you have to do is just click on sign in. If you click on sign in, it's gonna sign you in, and then you're going to have it like this. Usually it's gonna be red until you sign in, and then it shows you're signed in, right? So once you're signed in, you're going to see. So I've been using this particular platform for a while. So you see, I sign in every day, and each day I sign in, I get some days 500. Okay, they gave me 500 yesterday, and day before, but they've been giving me 400, right? So for every sign in, I think the more you upgrade on the platform, the more you use the platform, the more you get. So now I have about available of 15,000 gems, which I've not really converted. So now if you come over right here, you see the top space, I clicked on this arrow right here, and then you come to spot account. So once you come to spot account, you see how much I've accumulated on this particular platform, which is about $43. I've shown us this earlier, and you see my transactions, my recent transactions, check-in and all of that. It shows here, and the invitation rebate and all of that. So if I come over right here, I can deposit on this particular platform. but I like to advise us that don't deposit on this platform. Don't deposit. It's an airdrop platform that promises to pay you. You should not be the one depositing it into the platform, right? So whatever deposit you're going to make on this platform is at owner's risk. So withdrawal, you can actually withdraw, but you can actually withdraw PHY or USDC. PHY or US, that's what you can actually withdraw. So if you have so the PHY you can actually withdraw. Let me switch to PHY. Let me switch this again. Let's try PHY. So the minimum PHY you can actually withdraw is 12 PHY, right? And they charge you 2 PHY as a handling fee. So since I have lots, so I'm not going to withdraw right now. All right. So let's go back here, right? For that, for withdrawal, you can actually withdraw PHY and USDT to your favorite accounts, to either Binance or but Binance is actually a recommended one. So you can actually transfer. Click on transfer. You can transfer this to someone else. You can transfer your gem to someone else. So let's say another person has this account. You can transfer your gem to the person's account. Right. So let's go back. So now you can actually flash swap, which is change, convert. So I have about 4,000 gem. I can actually change it to frozen EFS, right? But I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to go back. So you want to change it, just going to confirm right here, and it's going to change. It's going to like flash swap, right? So let's go back, right? And I want to show you something on this particular platform, because you want to also make money from this particular platform. So you can actually go to the day center. When this, look at the things you can do daily, the daily check-in, share lucky draw. I don't do this. I did this one time and I think I lost a few money, right? So still on the tax center something, you see e-reader registration. That is one way to make money. That's one way to make a lot of money with this particular platform, to make the most. So all I have to do is come over to look at invitation reward. So once you come here, you're going to see recommend friends and gem reward. So once you refer friends and they get to sign up using your invitation link, which is here, you're going to earn referral rewards, and it's about 1,200 gem per referral. So let's say you refer a lot of persons and also do rebates. So the people you refer can also refer other people, and then you earn from their referral, right? So get to the point where you register on the platform. All right, sign in every day. Once you sign in every day to actually get about your 400 gem, and then refer people to make the most out of this platform, right? So this particular platform is actually going to be dropping the airdrop soon. So to actually get updates and information about this particular airdrop, all you have to do is click here. You see this here, and join their telegram channel. And once you join, you're going to get updates daily about this airdrop. If there are going to be changes to when they're going to list and when you can actually, and how to withdraw, they're still going to drop it on their platform. All right, so guys, I'm going to wish us luck on this one. Remember, I also advised us that we don't put in our money into this. You're only here to make money out of this.